There's another risk for severe weather on this Wednesday, June the 25th. Now, the risk is going to be lower today compared to yesterday. And I know most of you across the Denver area yesterday did not see stronger storms. However, we did have a tornado warning just the east of Denver and Strasburg and Bennett. We had that tornado warning yesterday afternoon. We did have some core-sized hail around Parker and Ponderosa Park yesterday. As I mentioned yesterday, those storms were going to stay just the east. The worst of those storms are going to stay just the east of Denver area. Today's risk really for most areas will be notably lower for a couple of reasons. One, we don't have the wind shear, the change in wind speed and direction with height that generates that spin we need for storms. We don't really have that as much today. We also don't have as much instability. It's still cloudy and kind of cool out there today, and it's going to limit the amount of energy that we're able to tap into. But still got a lot of low-level moisture, dew points around 60 degrees, which tends to be a pretty magic mark for some stronger storms in the Denver area. So those dew points are high enough for some active weather, mainly between noon and 4 p.m. this afternoon. That's when we could see some of those storms. That overall severe weather risk, again, lower today compared to what it's been over the last couple of days, but some small hail, some 50, maybe 60-mile-an-hour winds possible for us, and those storms will be on the early side. If you do have plans for this evening, those storms will really wind down by about 6, 7 o'clock or so this evening. So I think if you got plans after 6 o'clock tonight, you're fine. Softball game, things like that. Red Rocks should be okay for this evening. Just keep in mind we do have those storms between now and then with a lower but not nil severe weather risk compared to yesterday.